Hello, everyone. I'm glad to be here today with you in BIM Coordinator Summit, the virtual version for the Middle East and North Africa. Uh, I'm thrilled and excited to participate today with this very promising community. Today we will discuss a very hot topic, which is the Geo version of the BIM and how this can help us to build a context-aware digital twin. My name is Hesham Gamal Gaafar. I am from Egypt. I work as a digital twin lead at Israel, Saudi Arabia. I have a master's degree from the Faculty of Engineering of Cairo University, focusing on building a digital solutions for civil engineering, especially for the public works. Also, I'm certified BIM professional from the British Research Establishment, or BRE. And I have some miscellaneous degrees and studies in information technology and digital realities. So to start talking about our topic, we need to define the digital twin. I know that, of course, it's a buzzword and a lot of you maybe have heard about it. And actually, the notion of the digital trend has been around for a long time. But as technologies evolve, uh, and the processes get more integrated and streamlined, the value of having a digital twin is being released at a rapid rate, and it's also becoming more achievable for many organizations. If you think about how the intensive industries like utility or architecture, engineering, and construction have been plotting their drawings or models for decades, and at the same time, when they did this rules really their version of a digital twin. This was their how they imagined their digital twin. But a modern digital twin, by definition, is so much more sophisticated. It's more about it requires more real-time characteristics. It requires scenario modeling. It requires a lot of integration, a lot of integrations and intelligence, but it also needs to be presented in context. So you can have an imagination, or you can have a simulation for the natural surroundings. So a digital twin is now in context. So the digital twin is a visual representation of the real world. It includes the physical objects and the processes, the relationships, the behaviors. And actually, the GIS creates a digital twin of the social and natural and also the built environment in one place. There is multiple multiple different types of digital models or information models, like we describe them, because it's not just about visualization. It also includes information, and it helps us to make the best use of the data to make a better decision. And actually, it all comes for one big target, which is the sustainability. At a global scale, organizations are looking to modernize their infrastructure to create a more sustainable future. Organizations must repair what is crumbling and ensure that it's sustainable for the needs of today and resilient for the needs of tomorrow. This means protecting our energy, water, transportation, and telecommunication networks for many threats. It also means incorporating more renewable and sustainable energy sources and using collaborative ways of working with commerce, government, and communities. Here's how we imagine the GIS and how it interconnects with digital twins. So a modern digital twin really is a powerful tool, and it allows you to abstract and model everything, bringing together many types of information models in one place. And at Esri, we see there is really four different types of these information models. Actually, basically four types, but it can be more, as we will see in minutes. The first is the land base or the environmental model. This is the terrain or the topographic or the environmental layers. And in recent years, we've seen the accelerated development of BIM or building information models. And I'm sure that all of you are experts in when it comes to this area. This is allowing our users to model accurate and highly detailed representation of structural plans and facilities. Then we have the information models for managing networks, or what we call network information model. These typically are the models that are our linear assets, or represent our linear assets and our connectivity for utilities. This leverages a dedicated product for managing the utility network, and it uses its name, ArcGIS Utility Network. And finally, we have the city information model, which allows for the bigger picture modeling at a scale. So this assets in modeling the urban planning or citizen engagement, and the more recently, the smart city or even the smart community initiatives. When it comes to LLM or LIM, sorry, my bad, or the land information model, it consists of the environment, topology, social, and landscape layers. It contains important environmental factors such as soil type, vegetation, and terrain models. All of this can be seamlessly incorporated into digital twin development to further enhanced information models. Also, demographic and social indicators such as social vulnerability index can be incorporated and help identify population information to inform project planning and aid in better understanding. Then comes the star of today, which is the building information modeling. Our users are looking for the use of digital twins and also our using our technology to create very detailed visualization at a building or facilities level. And a lot of this has been enabled through some of the partnerships with people like Autodesk. But we are also helping organizations manage and model their entire networks and then scale to this complete city view as well. So allows GIS allows you to visualize using the eagle eye view, allows our users to connect very detailed BIM models to the larger networks, which then you can do things like tracing from inside the building to outside to the indoor utilities and building elements like walls, stairs, or slabs. Then you can scale back and see this in context to the larger city views. We believe in the importance of the integration between the BIM and GIS. That's why we even dedicated a product for that. We called it ArcGIS GeoBIM. This represents how we believe in the importance of the integration between these big two important technologies. It helps you to have a dual view between the design environment on Autodesk Construction Cloud and on the web GIS from our side, from Esri side, which is ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise. So you can have all your information from the project information model and the operation information model in one place. Also, we can utilize the BIM models to create a new type of information models like ArcGIS indoor information model, which provides floor-aware maps that contains the spaces information from the building for a better space management. Also, it can be used to make indoor positioning and wayfinding using your mobile device. And of course, it can help us to make indoor space management to have a better understanding of the space. Maybe you can use it to pick a room to make to know which room is available for a meeting, and it's like a visual calendar that's integrated to your work space or to your space in general. Then moving to network information model, of course, the networks can be a CAD or BIM or GIS or whatever the format is. The network information model manages the design and logic for networks. Typically, this type of model manages linear assets and the connectivity for utilities. This leverages an Esri product called ArcGIS Utility Network to create this NIM or Network Information Model, which is architected to support modern network management. NIM includes the ability to model complete operational and structural networks across all domains and tiers, and also it contains improved data quality through alignment to business and network rules. After having all of these information models, of course, we aim to achieve the CIM or City Information Model. The City Information Model allows for bigger picture modeling at scale. This sets in workflows for urban planning, citizen engagement, and of course, smart city and smart communities, as we mentioned. That use of technology can make the lives of the city residents better by providing support for urban and the community design that adapts to change. Also, connection and integration with essential government services, and of course, improved citizen communication and engagements. And of course, all of this can achieve a digital twin as context for change. This the first is related to having a 3D visual representation for the city, including information, insights, indicators, and of course, strong visualization and strong user experience to make it easier for the citizen and of course the city managers and decision makers. Then we move to the land use and zoning parameters. Of course, when it comes to the built environment, it contains also, it's linked also to the land or the footprint. ArcGIS supports this list of zoning parameters like land use, maximum buildable height and depth, the lot coverage, the floor area, the ratios of all these areas, the number of floors, as well as the number of dwelling units per area. Additionally, something like setbacks can be assigned, which are connected to different parcels in the city. We can distinguish between side, front, and rear edges, as well as categorize the edges into interior or street edges. All of this detailed information about zoning parameters can help a lot in managing our city and providing a rich information model for the city. Also, if you have a lot of projects, like a multiple sites project or multiple projects around the city, it helps you to have your 3D project model, including the project progress or project information. And also you can do impact analysis using different, if you are city manager and you have multiple proposals for city development in a certain area of the city, you can use this solution to compare between the impact of each design to make a better decision. GIS can be a digital twin. What makes ArcGIS unique is that it integrates and connects all these different types of information models and digital twins in one place. GIS can be the digital twin, but in some cases, it is just enabling the interconnection of other digital models that create additional value to the customer by providing a more holistic view. It's open for integration and reach of APIs. ArcGIS allows users to go beyond using very detailed building information models of structural interiors to see the buildings, to navigate, and to manage their spaces in optimum way. It helps to have a visualization for the relationship between the buildings, the networks, and to see all this in context to the larger city view. GIS creates relationships and streamlines workflows across systems and information models. Everything has location, so location becomes the common key to integrate and model the digital twin's complete life cycle. An integrated digital twin enabled through a modern GIS is not one single solution or product. It is an ecosystem of capabilities and applications being brought together by GIS to support holistic and collaborative approaches. It's not one digital twin, but rather many information models that are integrated and interconnected. Here you can see 4 elements for managing information lifecycle for digital twin. Of course, data capture, which is foundational to a digital twin. Israel provides end-to-end data management. They need to capture the data, model it, and then manage the data. And of course, real-time and visualizations. It brings the data to life, taking information and creating a better understanding of what is happening now. Integrating sensor technology enables real-time situational awareness combined, of course, with advanced visual capabilities and the known analytical capabilities of ArcGIS. Moving to the analytics and the analysis, of course, analyze and predict to move decision-making beyond just understanding the current operational state. Organizations must understand the past and the view predictions of the future. They need to simulate and forecast expected outcomes as well as automate the decision-making process using different technologies. And of course, one of them is the geo version of AI or GeoAI. And at the end, of course, sharing and the collaboration are enabled via desktop, mobile devices for both internal and external stakeholders. Digital twins are about collaboration, sharing information, and getting it to those who need it when they need it. And that's how we can have a single source of information. Thank you to reach here. My name is Hesham Gamal Gaafar. Please feel free if you have any questions to send me through any social media channel, whatever it's LinkedIn or Twitter. You can search by my name and you can find my account. I will be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you.